Hiya, welcome to Ginger's Powder. Today we're making this beautiful beef egg fried rice. I'm hungry, so come on, let's make your cooking easier. Let's go. First, we're gonna start off by adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a hot pan. Then we're gonna swirl it around the pan. Make sure everywhere is coated. Here I have 2 eggs in which I added black pepper and garlic salt. Let's scramble our eggs. When it's done, I'm going to take it out and set it aside. So let's move on to our meat. Today, I'm using a combination of hamburger meat, which is 80% lean and 20% fat. And I'm also using lardon. If you don't have lardon where you come from, don't worry about it. Use bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and break up my meat and make sure it gets cooked evenly all over. When my meat is halfway done, I'm going to add my lardon. What lardon is, it's simply a thick slice of bacon chopped into matchsticks because where I live, they don't sell bacon, so I use lardon. I added 1/4 of a purple onion because I had it, so I used it. And we're going to continue browning that up. Then I began spicing up my dish. I added some thyme, some ground bay leaves, some parsley, then I mix it up in order to infuse the herbs in my meat. Remember guys, you need to keep it moving because remember we are on high heat and we don't want anything to burn. So I decided to add an extra tablespoon of olive oil because I felt that it was a bit dry and I'm not trying to eat any dry food today. And now I'm proceeding to add my seasoning. So I'm starting with some salt, some pink Himalayan salt, some complete seasoning, some chicken seasoning, And to finish, some garlic salt. All of that according to your own taste. I also added some frozen string beans, but you can use any vegetable that you like. Mixing it up in order to cook the string beans. I let it cook down for about 3 minutes and then I added back my egg to the pan. I let that go for another 3 minutes and added some corn. So after letting this cook down a bit, we're going to add some leftover rice. Yesterday rice. Don't use today rice. Yesterday rice. Okay? So I added about 2.5 cups of cooked rice, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sweet soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of salt soya sauce. And to finish, 1 tablespoon of hot sweet soy sauce. You can add more or less according to your liking. Now let's combine everything together. Mix it real good, but take your time now, not trying to make a mess. Now, lower down your heat to medium heat, cover your pan, and let it steam for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover your steamy goodness and give it one last mix. There you have it, guys, your beautiful and tasty beef egg fried rice, ready in no time, quick and easy. Hope you try this recipe. See you next time.